Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here to learn one of the most important pronunciation skills in English. Today we're focusing on stress shift verb and noun pairs, which look the same but change meaning and pronunciation based on stress. Let's make this simple, fun, and super clear. What exactly are stress shift words? In English, many words have stress on the first syllable for nouns and on the second syllable for verbs. For example, consider record as a music record versus record when you record a video. One small change in your voice can completely alter the meaning. Mastering word stress is crucial if you want to sound natural, confident, and fluent. Native speakers use stress to understand meaning instantly, so let's learn how to hear and say them correctly. Here's the simple rule. Noun, stress the first syllable. Verb, stress the last syllable. Repeat with me. Noun first, verb last. Perfect. Let's practice with some essential stress shift word pairs, starting with record and record. Next, we have present, as in a gift, and present, meaning to give something. Then there's progress, a noun, and progress, the verb. Consider contract, a document, versus contract, to shrink. We also have increase and decrease. Other pairs include import and import, and export and export. Let's look at permit, a license, and permit, to allow. And finally, produce, as in fresh goods versus produce, to create. Now let's practice with short sentences. I'll say the noun first, then the verb. Record, I bought a new record. Then record, please record the meeting. Present, this is your present. And present, I will present my idea. Project, my project is finished. Then project, we will project the image. Most learners make mistakes like pronouncing both forms the same or rushing the second syllable. But don't worry, with practice this becomes natural. Great job today. You learned essential stress shift word pairs and how to sound more natural and confident. If you want more lessons like this, subscribe and join me for the next video. See you soon.